Hey there, savvy money managers. If you're looking to transfer funds from your Payoneer account to your HSBC Bank in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it quick and secure for freelancers, businesses, or anyone handling international payments. I'm going to walk you through the steps in a simple, step-by-step way so you can do this confidently from the comfort of your home. First things first, make sure you have your Payoneer account set up and verified, as that's the foundation for any transfers. Log in to your Payoneer dashboard using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. It's usually right on the main menu for easy access. Next, select the option for bank transfer. Payoneer offers various withdrawal methods, but for HSBC, you'll want to choose the International Bank Transfer feature. Now, here's where you enter the details. Input your HSBC account number, the bank's SWIFT code, and your account holder's name. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Accuracy is key. After that, specify the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on any currency conversion rates or fees that might apply, as these can vary based on your location and the current market. Payoneer often provides a preview of costs upfront, which is super helpful. Once you're satisfied, hit the Confirm button and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication, to authorize the transfer. The transfer might take a few business days to process, depending on your countries and bank policies, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation email from Payoneer, and the funds should appear in your HSBC account. Remember, always stay updated with Payoneer's policies, as things can change with new regulations in 2025. If you run into any issues, their customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Let's make managing your money easier together. Word count: 348.